Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP using a real office example. Imagine you have an employee database with employee ID, name, department, city, and salary. First, type VLOOKUP and copy headings. Type equals VLOOKUP and open the bracket. Now you want to find the employee's details using their employee ID. G3 is the lookup value. Select all table from A to E. And press comma. And then press 2 for second column. Again comma. False means an exact match. And then enter. Same formula applying in next column. And type column-wise index number. First type equals XLOOKUP and open the bracket. G10 is the lookup value. Select A is the lookup column. And then comma. Select B is the employee name column. That's it. Same formula use in next column. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips.